back, folks. Welcome back to the Booze by Rob production facility. Sorry it's been a long time since we've done a video, but hey, sorry, life happens. But yes, we are still located in historic Nashville, Tennessee. So recently, over the holidays, we were able to go up to Kentucky, the land of bourbon, where there are more barrels of bourbon than people. Fact, look it up. You can Google me. Went up to the bar at Willett, at the Willett Distillery. Now, obviously, Willett is a fantastic, amazing bourbon distillery. They also have one of the best darn restaurants in Kentucky. They have a world-class bar featuring a ton of their single barrel bourbons, but the restaurant is absolutely off the hook. World famous egg salad sandwich, something that simple, they have elevated to something that is amazing. Our good buddy Marty was able to go with us, and he had a cocktail that kind of interested me. It was called a Black Manhattan. Did a little research on it. It's a 2005 cocktail from a guy out in California. I'll put the credit below. But basically it's a Manhattan, so you're going to use a rye whiskey. Now, of course, they used Willett rye whiskey, but then instead of using the sweet vermouth, they substituted this particular Amaro, which is Averna. Not very expensive. This is $30 a bottle. Some of the Amaros can get pretty pricey. The other two ingredients are Angostura bitters and then an orange bitter. We're going to use Regan's orange bitters, and then topped with the Luxardo cherry. So let's get in with the bitters. This is 2 dashes, or to your taste. You know, I like bitters. If you want it more, do it. But basically try and keep it proportional. 2 ounces of a high quality, this is Rittenhouse, rye whiskey. Isn't that a good sound? Glug, glug, glug. All right. And then 1 ounce of the Amaro. There we go. We're getting close, folks. This one's almost done. Gonna stir it up. Cools that cocktail down, dilutes it a little bit. Also helps if you're mixing glass, keep them in the freezer. Just the whole thing starts out cold to begin with. All right. Done. And yes, you know it, it's a whiskey. This is a Coupe glass. Use a glass of your choice. It doesn't matter, folks. Except for the presentation. Into the cocktail glass we go. This one we could have doubled, I think. But it don't need to be that much. Chop it with a Luxardo maraschino cherry. And the best part of the show is the try-in. It's a delicious cocktail. It's still, you can still taste a little bit of the pepperiness of the rye, but it really holds it down with the Amaro, because I know some people out there don't like rye whiskey. It's too bitter for them. So this is one worth a try. All right, folks. Cheers. Stay safe and enjoy the Black Manhattan. Delicious.